What is a Metasploit framework? The Metasploit project is an open source computer security project which provides an information about the security vulnerabilities and aids in penetration testing and IDS signature development. Now IDS stands for Intrusion Detection. We'll come across each term in our coming section. Also, Metasploit is a framework which is used for hacking of different kinds of applications, operating systems, web applications, and etc. The Metasploit framework is a collection of commonly used tools that provide a complete environment for penetration testing and exploit development. So in simple terms, we can say Metasploit framework is used to find the vulnerabilities of a machine and exploit it, which means hack into the system. So currently there are more than 1500 exploits available. Can you just imagine the amount of impact this framework creates?